Then they're going to have you graph the ones that are in slope-intercept form. Again, we pretend it says y equals negative 2x plus 5. Our y-intercept is at 5, so we're going to go ahead and mark my y-intercept. My slope is negative 2, so I'm going to go down 2 and over 1. Down 2 over 1. And same thing, I'm going to look at my inequality. Should I have a solid line or a dashed line? Solid line, since it has the equal to, so I'll draw the solid line. And then when I'm thinking about the shading, I'm thinking about my y-axis. The y-axis, you're either shading up or down. If y is less than my line, I'm going to shade down on my y-axis. So what I do is I think about where my y-intercept is, and if I go straight down, that's the side all my dots have to go on, right? So it ends up being somewhere over there. You only have to click in there, and Alex will shade the whole section. So number 9, if I'm going to graph y is less than negative 3x minus 3, my y-intercept is at negative 3. From that point, I'm going to go down 3 and over 1. 1, 2, 3. And should I have a solid line or a dashed line? Dashed line, because we don't have the equal to, so I'm just going to go ahead and draw it that way. And then, again, I'm shading y is less than the negative 3x minus 3. So should I shade up or down from my line? Down. I'm shading below my line. So it actually looks like it's on the left side, but technically it's below my line. And number 10, y is greater than or equal to 1/3 x plus 1. My y-intercept is at 1. And from that point, I'm going to go up 1 over 3. Up 1 over 1, 2, 3. And should my line be solid or dashed? Solid line. And should I shade above that line or below that line? What was that? I'm shading greater, so I should be going above my line, right? So think about where your y-intercept is. If it's greater, you're going up. If it's less, you're going down, and then it makes it easy to figure out, hopefully, where you should shade.